First, disassemble the 4 screws inside. Then the screws here are inverted. The screws here are inverted. And then this lock. The lock core here, just pull it out from the plug. Then disassemble this lock. There are 2 screws here, remove them. Yes, then put it back on. Here's a lock core slot. As for the battery pack, there will be a plug here. Just plug the GST male plug into here. This lock core is for the low voltage switch. Then put the lock core back. When installing this, you need to place the banana pad on top. Then tighten it with the elevator. For these manual parts, this can be directly disassembled. This can be directly disassembled. There are also circles on the side here. The key is right. First, don't install this. Here. First install this cap.